Alrighty, welcome back to three-legged hunting, and today we're doing a pheasant hunt. We got 4 guns and then there's 5 people. Got 3 dogs working, and we guys got some birds coming up. Oh, there they all go right there. So let's see what's in here. There's another one. Yeah. Where's he at?
Right there's one right in front of us.
Oh, yeah. Oh, rooster. 2.
Just wait. Let him walk back in there. All right.
Okay. Hey, once you come right here.
There's 3 of them. Oh, shit,
Look. Oh my gosh. Well, I think we better get up there.
Carter, we ain't gonna get him.
Where are they going?
Like 6 or 8 of them here. They just went right up. Okay. So,
I'll go on those other sides.
on that side over there. Because they're wanting to fly towards that pivot. Yeah. On the other side of the pond or 650 Street?
Right here, yeah. Then we'll walk this. Yeah, we'll walk this out. That hawks.
Fuck, that was about 5 or 8 of them.
Oh. Okay. I'll let you go ahead. And I'll kind of stay closer. I think that rooster's still in there. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. There goes one rooster, rooster! There's still more in there. That's crazy.
Look at them all.
Oh my gosh.
That's a head.
Holy crap. They're absolutely loaded. Oakley, here. Good girl. Here. They're absolutely loaded in here. Oh, here's a rabbit. Let's go walk this out over here maybe. He's gonna go park the pickup over there. I'm gonna see what's over here. Wow. That's crazy. Dog, Oakley. Hen. Good dog, Oakley. Find him. Come here, dogs. Dogs here. Find him, Oakley. Go find him. Go hunt him up, girl. Go hunt him up. Go hunt him up. Rooster! Got him! He's injured, Dad. Oakley, here. Heck yeah, we got one. Let's go for a third round. Well, we got another one, number 2. We got another injured one down in the field, but we can't find him.
Cool. I'll get here.
Alrighty, well, we got one bird and then an injured one, and we can't find him. We've been looking for a while. So now we're gonna push this piece out here. So 2 birds for the day. Seen a bunch, but we're gonna see what we can get done out here. Come here, dogs. Oh, I see one. Oh, there goes one. Or one. Oakley, come here. Hen, Oakley. No, here. Damn it. Well, final pile, 2 roosters. Alrighty, well, we ended off with 2 birds for the day. I didn't shoot one. Well, I hit one. He's out here in these weeds somewhere. Chances of finding him are slim to none. Be like finding a needle in a haystack. But these 2 are both exhausted, so we're hopefully gonna go scout some geese and maybe get on some geese tomorrow morning. But yeah, it was a good hunt. Charlie shot 2, and they're gonna take off and take those 2 birds with them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.